Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about Xiaomi Redmi Note 2. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 2 is a discontinued mid-range Android smartphone released by Xiaomi in August 2015. It was available in two variants, the Redmi Note 2 and the Redmi Note 2 Prime. The Redmi Note 2 had a mediated NT6795 Helio X10 octa-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of storage. The Redmi Note 2 Prime had the same processor, but with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Both variants of the Redmi Note 2 had a 5.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. They also had a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. The Redmi Note 2 was powered by a 3060 mAh battery, while the Redmi Note 2 Prime had a larger 3200 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 2 was a popular smartphone in India, where it was often compared to the Moto G. It was praised for its good performance, long battery life, and affordable price. However, it was criticized for its average camera and lack of expandable storage. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 2 is no longer available for purchase, but it can still be found on the second-hand market. Its successor, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, was released in December 2015. Here are the key specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 2. Display: 5.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. Processor: MediaTek NT6795 Helio X10 octa-core processor. RAM: 2 GB. Storage: 16 GB or 32 GB. Rear camera: 13 megapixel. Front camera: 5 megapixel. Battery: 3060 mAh or 3200 mAh. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 2 is a good option for those looking for an affordable mid-range smartphone with good performance and battery life. However, it is important to note that it is an older model and may not be the best choice for those who want the latest features and technology. Thank you for watching.